Hello and welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna teach you I'll be teaching you all how to interact with the Firebase database using Flutter. In this lesson we'll configure up Firebase and set up it for our Flutter application. First things first, you have to go to pub.dev and search for Google sign in, and you must press on this and go to installing, and let's copy this dependency from here and paste it inside our pubspec.yaml file like this. Then you need to say pub.get, and if the exit code is 0 like here, that means we have configured Google sign in for our Flutter project. Now for the next step, we'll go to console.firebase.google.com, and here we have to create a new project. In the welcome to Firebase window, we'll say create new project, and we'll call this today master. You can't have symbols, so we say today master. And let's accept this and press continue. Now let's press continue and continue again and say create project. So our project is being created. Now let's click on this Android icon, and here we have to first provide our Android package name. For that we can go to our build Gradle and we can see that we must go to our Android build Gradle, and here we have to copy this application ID com.example.today ID and copy it, and we have to provide it here. And next thing, we have to give a nickname. For the nickname we will give today master like this. Now here you must provide the SHA-1 certificate. We'll go to our Android Studio, and here we'll have a terminal, and we'll say cd. We'll have terminal like this. Go to view, tool windows and terminal, and here inside we'll give cd Android, and after that we say Gradle. We have to provide this code Gradle w sign in report, and we have to press enter. So now the SHA-1 certificate is getting built, and we got it right now. We'll copy this SHA-1 certificate from here and we'll paste it here like this. Next we have to press register. I press register, and now let's wait till it builds. Now we get this in window. Here you have to download Google services.json definitely, and it should be pasted inside. Let's go here and we'll cut it from here. And next thing, we have to go to app here, and we have to paste it here like this. Alright. Now we come to this page. Here we have to copy this class part from here and go to project build Gradle, and here we have to paste it in under here like this. And next thing we have to copy this Google services from apply plugin and go here, and we have to paste it right here. And next thing we have to copy this implementation and paste it here, and we have to copy the other implementation analytics Firebase and paste it here. Alright, we have done what they have said to do, and next thing we say next. Now we'll press on continue to console and wait. And we come to this window. Now that you have come to this window means that our Firebase project has been registered to the Firebase console. So that's how we register our Firebase project to our Firebase console. I taught you how to go through the setup of the Firebase installer for the application, and we got up till here. So that's what I wanted to teach you here in this lesson, and today's lesson is over, and I'll come with another lesson another day, another Firebase lesson. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.